Welcome to CyberTech Guard, your trusted source for the latest in tech and cybersecurity. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into a critical threat targeting online security. A new sneaky two-fa phishing kit? Buckle up, it's time to learn, protect, and defend. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is widely considered a cornerstone of secure online practices. By requiring not only a password, but also a secondary verification method, such as a text message or app code, 2FA significantly boosts security. But here's the kicker. According to a recent article from the Hacker News, a new phishing kit is making waves, designed to fool even the savviest internet users. This kit can intercept not just your password, but also your two-factor authentication codes. Yes, you heard that right, your extra layer of security could be compromised. So, how does this sneaky phishing kit work? It's all about real-time credential theft. When you log into a spoofed website, one that looks just like your bank, email, or favorite e-commerce platform, the kit acts as a middleman. It relays your credentials and 2FA codes to the actual site in real time, granting hackers full access to your account before you even know what's happening. This attack takes advantage of human behavior, our trust in what looks familiar, and our tendency to act quickly when faced with a login prompt. The phishing kits are so well designed that they often mimic real websites flawlessly, complete with accurate branding, URLs that look legit at first glance, and even fake security seals. Now, let's talk about the implications. Think about your online bank account, your email with sensitive business details, or even your social media profiles. Once these accounts are compromised, the ripple effect can be devastating: identity theft, financial loss, or even corporate espionage. This isn't just a concern for individuals. Businesses are equally at risk. A compromised employee account can lead to data breaches that cost millions in damages and destroy customer trust. But don't panic, there are steps you can take to protect yourself. Here are my top 5 tips to stay safe. Double-check URLs. Always verify the website address before entering your credentials. Look for subtle misspellings or extra characters. Use hardware-based 2FA. Devices like YubiKey or Google Titan provide an added layer of security that phishing kits cannot intercept. Enable phishing alerts. Many email services and browsers have built-in anti-phishing warnings. Keep these enabled. Regularly monitor your accounts. Check for suspicious activity or unauthorized logins. Educate yourself and others. Awareness is the first step to prevention. Share this episode with friends and family to spread the knowledge. Remember, cybercriminals thrive on ignorance. By staying informed and vigilant, you're taking the power back. That's all for today's episode of CyberTech Guard. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of cybersecurity. As always, your digital safety is my mission. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe, and leave a review.